Traveling is stressful enough, but trying to calculate when to leave for the airport can be one of the most stressful steps of your journey before it even begins. A single missed traffic update or unexpectedly long security line can turn your entire trip upside down. Now, picture a different journey. Tripsee transforms travel anxiety into total confidence. Tripsee calculates the perfect time for you to leave home, factoring in real-time traffic, airport security wait times, weather, and live flight status, right down to the minute. As you pack your bag, Tripsee sends you timely notifications for when to leave by making the unexpected delays into anticipated calculations. Tripsee will even provide airport information tailored to your terminal and gate. If delays happen, Tripsee adjusts everything automatically, guiding you every step of the way. Instead of stress, confusion, and anxiety, you're able to go from your doorstep to your gate with clarity and peace of mind. The Tripsee interface lays out your path, while on-the-go alerts keep you informed and relaxed. You arrive with time to spare and zero uncertainty. That's the Tripsee goal. Every doorway to jetway detail handled, and every moment orchestrated. Tripsee takes the guesswork out of getting your journey starting smooth.
So it stays that way.
Download Tripsee today and discover how it can redefine your next trip experience.